This is the circle. One chord length is the 2a given. It is 2a given. Center. Center angle which makes an angle theta at center. This is theta. तो OA क्या होगा? What is the OA? Radius of the circle. And AB distance given 2a. Draw a perpendicular from center of the circle to the chord. Then what about AD distance?
A.
A. And what about this angle? AOD angle. Center angle is the theta. Then AOD angle,
Sir, half of that.
half of that. So theta by 2. Because these two triangles are congruent triangle. AOD triangle and BOD triangle. Both are congruent triangle. Okay, so theta by 2. Find out R now. To find out R, already AD length given and OA you have taken as R. So which trigo ratio you have to consider for this triangle? Angle also given theta by 2. A theta by 2 and R. Which trigo ratio you have to consider?
Sir, cot.
Hmm?
Cot.
Cot. How to get
Sine.
sine? So sine theta by 2. Sine theta by 2 is equal to is what? In this triangle. In triangle
A by
AOD.
R.
A by R. Yes. In triangle AOD. A by R. Then R is what? A upon sine theta by 2 or A cosec theta by 2. So area of triangle. Sorry, area of circle. Area of circle is what?
Pi r square.
Pi r square, which is pi r. R square means A square cosec square theta by 2. That is 1 plus cot square theta by 2. Then
Yes, sir.
the side of a regular deca is 2 centimeter. The radius of the circumscribed circle is in centimeter is what? Dodecagon means number of sides कितना है?
10.
10. फिर डेकागन क्या है?
Sir, maybe 12.
Hmm. 12 sides. Decagon is the 10 sides. Dodecagon is the 12 sides. The side of a regular dodecagon. And the radius of the circumscribed circle.
We
इसका
have to
मतलब
do
क्या है?
this like above question.
हाँ,
Like this question only we have to do 14th.
14. हाँ, what happened?
Sir, like the method you used in 8th, we have to use that only in 14th.
Yeah, similar method. Yes. So circumscribed circle is there, and inside that there is a 12-sided regular polygon. Okay. This side length is the 2 centimeter. At center of the circle. A1, A2, A3, A12. Okay. What about A A1O A2 angle?
So 30 degree.
Yes. So center angle is the 360 degree. Now 360 degree will divided by 12 equal parts. This angle became 30 degree. How to get area of the radius of the circle? Radius of the circle आपको find करना है. Same method. Draw perpendicular from O to the side A1, A2. Okay. Let this is M. Again, what about A1M distance?
1 centimeter.
1 centimeter. This angle
15.
15 degree. Now you sin 15 degree, you will get your answer.
Okay, sir.
That is sin A upon sin B the root 3 by 2 cos A upon cos B the root 5 by 2 A and B both lies in between 0 to pi by 2, then tan A plus tan B equal to what? Both AB angle in first quadrant, then tan A plus tan B. So try to eliminate any one, either angle A or angle B. कोई एक तो eliminate करो. So if you want to eliminate your angle A, then sin A क्या होगा? Root 3 by 2 sin B. And cos A is the root 5 by 2 cos B. Okay. So if you divide, first of all, if you divide, then equation 1 upon equation 2, what you will get? Sin A upon cos A. Tan A equal to root 3 by root 5 tan B. Am I correct? Now eliminate angle A. How to eliminate your angle A? एंगल ए को कैसे एलिमिनेट किया जाएगा? Yes. How to eliminate your angle A?
Sir, maybe we can use that identity sin square theta plus cos square theta.
Yes. Squaring both the sides, then take that sum. 1 square plus 2 square. So sin square A plus cos square A. This side became 1. Square of this, that is 3 by 4 sin square B plus 5 by 4 cos square B. तो एक फॉर्मूला, either sin or cos. So this one you can write 3 by 4 sin square B plus 5 by 4 cos square B. You can write 1 minus sin square B. Okay. Or you can divide cos square B both the sides. That also okay. You can do. Divide both the sides by cos square B. वो भी होगा. करोगे? And divide both the sides by cos square B. That implies 1 upon cos square B is equal to 3 by 4 sin square B upon cos square B. Plus 5 by 4 cos square B upon cos square B. Correct? 1 by cos square B is what?
X square b.
Sec square B. How to write in tan?
1 plus tan square.
1 plus tan square B is equal to 3 by 4 tan square B plus these two cancelled 5 by 4. So 1 tan square B minus 3 by 4 tan square B, that is 1 by 4 tan square B is equal to 5 by 4 minus 1. This one also 1 by 4. So tan square B equal to what?
1
1. So tan B
plus minus 1.
plus minus 1. But here 1 only as B belongs to first quadrant. Okay. Otherwise plus minus 1 होना चाहिए. Now use this tan B value here. So tan A is what? Root 3 upon root 5. Correct. Tan B की जगह 1 डाल दो. Tan A root 3 by upon root 5. Tan B the 1. Question was tan A plus tan B. Root 3 by root 5 plus 1. It's root 3 plus root 5 upon root 5. Is there? Yes. D option. Anything else? Done. Anything else? Okay. Question may be in a triangle ABC or A plus B plus equal to I. Okay. Prove that sine to A plus sine to B plus sine to C is the 4 sine A, sine B, sine C. In a triangle ABC, or your question may be if A plus B plus C equal to 5. Then prove that sine to A plus sine to B plus sine to C is the 4 sine A, sine B, sine C. Any idea? Okay. एक में कर देता हूँ. Remaining you will do. How to simplify or solve this type of question? Triple angle formula? No. So question is sin 2a plus sin 2b plus sin 2c. So take any two, sin 2a plus sin 2b, or you can take sin 2b plus sin 2c, or sin 2a plus sin 2c. Any two you can consider. I'm considering sin 2a plus sin 2b. Use sin c plus sin d. Use sin c plus sin d. Formula sin c plus sin d formula. Yes. I use sin c plus sin d. Ayush, are you there?
Yes, sir. 2 sin c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2.
What you'll get here?
2 cos 2a plus 2b by 2. Sorry. 2 sin 2a plus 2b by 2 and cos 2a minus 2b by 2.
2a plus 2b by 2. So 2 cancelled, a plus b. And 2a minus 2b by 2. A minus b. Plus sin 2c. Sin 2c, you can write 2 sin c cos c. Use your sin 2 theta. Okay. आज a plus b plus c is equal to pi. Then a plus b is what?
Pi minus c.
Pi minus c. So sin of a plus b is what? Use sin both the sides.
Sine of c then.
Sin c. Cos of a plus b is what? Cos pi minus c. Cos pi minus theta. Cos pi minus theta is what?
Minus cos theta.
Minus cos theta. Okay. So this type of identities you can use. Okay. If a plus b plus c is equal to pi, then a by 2 plus b by 2 plus c by 2 is what? Divide 2 both these sides. Pi by 2. So a plus b by 2. Consider these two. A plus b by 2. You can write pi by 2 minus c by 2. The sine of a plus b by 2. The sine 90 minus c by 2. What you will get? Hmm? Cos c by 2. Cos of a plus b by 2 is equal to cos 90 minus c by 2. That is sin c by 2. Tan of a plus b by 2. Sin change to cos. Cos change to sin. tan change to cot. You can use these results also. Okay. So here you have to use sin A plus B. Instead of sin A plus B, you can write sin C. So 2 sin C into cos of A minus B plus 2 sin C cos C. So you can take common 2 sin C, then cos of A minus B plus cos C. How to write cos C in terms of A and B? Cos C की जगह क्या लिख सकते हो? रिवर्स. Cos of A plus B the minus cos C. तो cos C क्या होगा? Minus cos A plus B, which is 2 sin C cos A minus B minus cos A plus B. Cos A minus B minus cos A plus B is what?
Sir, 2 sin A,
2 sin A
2 sin B.
sorry
Sin B, sin B.
so 2 into 2 4 sin A sin B sin C. This is your RHS. Is that clear? How your sin 2A plus sin 2B plus sin 2C became 4 sin A sin B sin C, provided आपका ये condition जरूरी है A plus B plus C equal to pi. It may be pi, it may be 3 pi, it may be 5 pi, odd pi के लिए. Okay. Right. Condition remains same. Next, prove that cos 2a plus cos 2b plus cos 2c. The -1 -4 cos a cos b cos c. Condition remains same. If a plus b plus equal to 5, then prove that cos 2a plus cos 2b plus cos 2c is the -1 -4 cos a cos b cos c. Method remain similar method. Prove it. Then और किसी को मिला? Who got the answer other than Kirti? Similar method like your previous question. Cos 2a plus cos 2b plus cos 2c. Use cos c plus cos d. Formula 2 cos c plus d by 2. You will get a plus b into cos c minus d by 2. A minus b. Here use cos 2 theta, but you know you want minus 1. Answer in terms of minus 1. Cos 2 theta formula with minus 1. Which formula of cos 2c or cos 2 theta? Minus 1 is there. कौन सा formula? There were 4 formula of cos 2 theta. Which formula being minus 1? Once. Yes. Once, are you there? Once, are you there? नहीं. जो आंसर नहीं करेगा मैं उसको रिमूव करता हूँ. I don't know whether you are attending the class or not. ऐसा नहीं कि सिर्फ लॉगिन करके फिर सो जाते हो. Once, are you there? Archit? 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 What is cos 2 theta formula? You also not there. Rhythm? Rhythm? Cos 2 theta formula. Tell me cos 2 theta formula. But minus 1 must be there. Yes, Pradhan. Formula of cos 2 theta. Yes, Pradhan.
Yes, sir.
Formula of cos 2 theta.
Sir, cos square A minus sin square A.
Okay. But minus 1 must be there. Minus 1 होना चाहिए.
So to sir, 2 cos square theta minus 1.
Okay, good. 2 cos square theta minus 1. So cos to c can write 2 cos square c minus 1. So what about cos a plus b in a triangle, or a plus b plus c equal to pi? Then cos a plus b is what? Minus cos c. So minus 2 cos c cos of a minus b plus 2 cos c, 2 cos square c minus 1. From these two, take 2 cos c or minus 2 cos c common. Take minus 2 cos c common. Then cos of a minus b minus cos c minus 1, which is minus 2 cos c cos of a minus b. And for minus cos c, you can write plus of cos a plus b minus 1, which is minus 2 cos c cos a plus b plus cos a minus b. Brahmi, cos a plus b plus cos a minus b.
Yes, sir. Cos A
Hmm.
plus B plus cos A minus B will be 2 cos A cos B.
Good. 2 cos a cos b minus 1. So minus 2 cos c into 2 cos a cos b. Total became minus 4 cos a cos b cos c, again minus 1. So minus 1 minus 4 cos a cos b cos c. That is your RHS. Is that clear? कैसे आ रहा है? Next, look that sin A plus sin B plus sin C is what? मैं प्रूफ दैट नहीं दे रहा हूँ. फाइंड आउट sin A plus sin B plus sin C क्या होगा. लाइक प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन कैसे रहेगा? What will be the answer? Condition remains same. A plus B plus C equal to 180 degree or pi. It is 4 cos A by 2 cos B by 2 cos C by 2. Correct. Method remains same. LHS. Sin A plus sin B plus sin C. I use here sin C plus sin D. Sin C plus sin D is the 2 sin C plus D by 2. Here half angle formula आ रहा है. Okay, C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2 plus sin C. Sin C you can write sin 2 into C by 2. Sin 2 theta you can use. What about sin of A plus B by 2? Sin of A plus B by 2. You have cos C by 2. You can use. For sin A plus B by 2, you can use cos C by 2 into cos of A minus B by 2. Use sin 2 theta. Sin 2 theta is the 2 sin theta. Theta means C by 2. Cos C by 2. Now you can take common 2 cos C by 2. 2 cos C by 2 common, then cos of A minus B by 2 plus sin C by 2, which is 2 cos C by 2, then cos of A minus B by 2 plus sin C by 2. Cos of A plus B by 2 is the sin C by 2. So sin C by 2, you can write cos of A plus B by 2. A plus B by 2 मतलब A by 2 plus B by 2. A minus B by 2 means you can use A by 2 minus B by 2. Which is the 2 cos C by 2. It's coming on under formula cos of A plus B plus cos A minus B, like that. So this is 2 cos A cos B, means here 2 cos A by 2 cos B by 2. So total become 4 cos A by 2 cos B by 2 cos C. Like that, you can prove cos A plus cos B plus cos C. The 1 plus 4 sin A by 2 sin B by 2 sin C by 2. It is 1 plus 4 sin A by 2 sin B by 2 sin C by 2. Next, tell me what is the tan A plus tan B plus tan C. Condition remains same. If A plus B plus C is equal to pi, then tan A plus tan B plus tan C क्या होगा? or prove that tan A plus tan B plus tan C is equal to tan A into tan B into tan C. Prove that. Yes. Here you can use tan of A plus B plus C. Very good. A plus B plus C is equal to pi. Then use tan both the sides. So tan of A plus B plus C is equal to tan of pi. Tan A plus B plus C formula. Will tell. Tejas, tan of A plus B plus C formula. Te- Tejas, are you there? तेजस वो भी सो गया ठीक है सो जाओ सिद्धार्थ tan of A plus B plus C सिद्धार्थ ऋषिकेश ऋषिकेश are you there? Tan A plus tan B plus tan C minus tan A tan B tan C whole divided by 1 minus tan A. Okay, good. So it is tan A plus tan B plus tan C minus tan A into tan B into tan C whole divided by 1 minus tan A tan B minus tan B tan C minus tan C tan A. और अब चाहो तो इधर से from these three you can take minus common. Tan pi, value of tan pi. Tan pi का वैल्यू क्या होता है 0. तो when your fraction become 0, जब न्यूमरेटर 0 होगा, that means tan A plus tan B plus tan C minus of tan A, tan B, tan C will be 0. So tan A plus tan B plus tan C became tan A into tan B into implies tan A plus tan B tan C became tan A into tan B into tan C. Or in short, you can write summation of tan A is equal to product of tan A. Summation of tan A, if A plus B plus equal to pi, then summation of tan A is equal to product of tan A. Summation of tan A means tan A plus tan B plus tan C. Product of tan A means tan A into tan B into tan C. Now tell me, acha, or those, suppose you forget your formula tan of A plus B plus C, then how to solve? कैसे करोगे? A plus B plus equal to pi means A plus B you can write pi minus C. Now tan both these sides. So tan of A plus B became tan of pi minus C. Tan A plus B formula. Tan A plus tan B upon 1 minus tan A tan B. Tan pi minus theta. Tan pi minus theta minus tan theta tan C. Now plus multiply. That implies tan A plus tan B became minus tan C minus minus plus tan A tan B tan C. So take this one to your left sides. So tan A plus tan B plus tan C became tan A into tan B into tan C. Now tell me, formula in terms of A by 2, B by 2, C by 2 in tan क्या होगा? A by 2 फॉर्मेट हाफ एंगल में क्या होगा फॉर्मूला? कंडीशन रिमेन सेम, A plus B plus equal to pi.
Sir, we have to find tan A plus tan B plus tan C.
No, फॉर्मूला क्या होगा? A plus B plus equal to pi given. My question is in terms of tan A by 2, tan B by 2, tan C by 2. फॉर्मूला क्या होगा? A by 2 फॉर्मेट में हाफ एंगल में क्या होगा? आप इधर देख के मैनिपुलेट कर सकते हो. Here you can manipulate, no? Question in terms of a by 2, b by 2, c by 2. What is your a by 2, b by plus b by 2 plus c by 2? 5 by 2. Formula remains same. Only instead of ABC, you have to use a by 2, b by 2, c by 2. Now tan 90. Tan 90 is what?
Infinite.
Hmm?
Infinity.
Infinity. Undefined. Undefined means something by 0. Or you can write 1 by 0 here. Okay. So when this part became undefined, a by b कब undefined होता है और towards infinity कब जाता है?
Then b is 0.
When b equal to 0 and a non-zero. a non-zero होना चाहिए, b 0 होना चाहिए. Okay? इसका मतलब your denominator part became 0. Implies what? 1 minus tan a by 2 tan b by 2 minus tan b by 2 tan c by 2 minus tan c by 2 tan a by 2 then 0. Or you can write tan a by 2 tan b by 2 plus tan b by 2 tan c by 2 plus tan c by 2 tan a by 2 or in short you can write summation of tan a by 2 tan b by 2. Sorry, not 0, 1. Summation of tan a by 2 tan b by 2. So like that, these are the identities. Okay, provided आपका a plus b plus c is equal to 180 होना चाहिए. Okay? एक साथ में लिख देता हूँ. In a triangle ABC or a plus b plus c is equal to pi. Then these are the results you have. Sin 2a plus sin 2b plus sin 2c is equal to 4 sin a sin b sin c. Cos 2a plus cos 2b plus cos 2c is the minus 1 minus 4 cos a cos b cos c. Sin a plus sin b plus sin c is the 4 cos a by 2 cos b by 2 cos c by 2. Whereas cos a plus cos b plus cos c That is 1 plus 4 sin A by 2 sin B by 2 sin C by 2. Tan A plus tan B plus tan C is equal to tan A into tan B into tan C, or summation of tan A is equal to product of tan A by 2 tan B by 2 plus tan B by 2 tan C by 2 plus tan C by 2 tan A by 2 is equal to 1, or summation of tan A by 2 tan B by 2 is equal to 1. Then similarly, summation of cot A cot B, summation of cot A cot B equal to 1 होगा. Summation of cot A cot B means cot A cot B plus cot B cot C plus cot C cot A. Then summation of cot A by 2 is equal to product of cot. Okay. अब चाहो तो 7 and 8 you can prove. These are the results, known results, and very important results you have to remember. I'm not telling these are the formula. Okay. But ये बहुत यूज होता है. Okay. Not in trigo only. Other chapter also. That also not in maths, physics में भी यूज होता है. ये आप डायरेक्टली यूज कर सकते हो. These results you can use directly, but not in बोर्ड में यूज मत करना. बोर्ड में नहीं अप्लाई, ये नहीं होता है, because these are not formula, these are the results. Okay. Instead of 8 आप थोड़ा चाहोगे तो इसको कंपेयर करोगे. If you compare, then 8 के बदले मतलब 4 में आप भी याद रख सकते हो. Sin 2a plus sin 2b plus sin 2c, the 4 sin a sin b sin c. You can compare this one with your third one. आप थर्ड वन के साथ कंपेयर कर सकते हो. Sin a plus sin b plus sin c became 4 cos a by 2 cos b by 2 cos c by 2. ये क्यों हुआ? Why sin change to cos? In general formula क्या होता है? Suppose sin 2 theta is the 2 sin theta cos theta. तो sin 8 theta क्या होता है?
2 sin 4 theta cos 4 theta.
2 sin 4 theta cos 4 theta. तो एंगल उसी हिसाब से चेंज हो जाता है ना, मतलब 4 टाइम्स हुआ तो sin 4 theta cos 4 theta. 2 थीटा का 4 टाइम्स हुआ तो इधर भी थीटा का 4 टाइम्स हो गया. sin थीटा क्या होगा? In this respect, sin theta क्या? What you will get sin theta? Sin 2 theta is the 2 sin theta cos theta. Then sin theta is what? 2 sin थीटा बाय 2 cos थीटा बाय 2। ये एंगल हाफ हो गया तो इधर भी हाफ हो जाएगा, बट इसमें क्यों नहीं हुआ? sin 2a plus sin 2b plus sin 2c the 4 sin a sin b sin c, तो when 2a changes a तो इसका हाफ एंगल होना चाहिए था, हाफ तो एंगल हुआ, बट साइन व्हाई साइन चेंज टू कॉस? ये तो 4 sin a by 2 sin b by 2 sin c by 2 होना चाहिए था, बट कॉस में क्यों हुआ? क्या लॉजिक क्या है? फॉर दिस एंगल देयर इज नो रेस्ट्रिक्शन, ये एंगल के लिए कोई रेस्ट्रिक्शन नहीं था। You can consider angle is the 30 degree, 40 degree, 70 degree, 100 degree, 1000 degree, कुछ भी consider कर सकते हो, but here certain condition is there, a plus b plus c equal to pi, because of this condition तो ये आप कुछ भी एंगल ले नहीं पाओगे, आपको ऐसे 3 एंगल चूज करना पड़ेगा जिसका सम 180 डिग्री होना चाहिए, तो यू कांट टेक एनी arbitrary एंगल, इसलिए when it is 2a changes a तो your pi क्या हो गया, हाफ एंगल में कन्वर्ट जब हुआ तो पाई चेंज टू पाई बाय 2, तो साइन चेंज टू कॉस। यहाँ पे पाई माइनस थीटा फॉर्मेट था, हियर यू गॉट पाई बाय 2 माइनस थीटा, दैट्स व्हाई साइन चेंज टू कॉस। अगेन सेकंड एंड फोर्थ यू कैन कंपेयर दिस टू कंपेरेबल, cos 2a plus cos 2b plus cos 2c the -1 -4 cos a cos b cos c, here these two minus become plus, sorry this is 1 plus 4 sin a by 2 sin b by 2 sin c by 2, okay, cos change to sin, concept remains same, here pi minus theta was there, pi minus theta, in pi minus theta means second quadrant negative, that's why you are getting negative here, but pi by 2 when you change to pi by 2 minus theta, so it's come your angle change to first quadrant angle, so that's why cos change to sin, because of 90 degree you use complementary angle 90 minus theta, दैट्स वाई cos चेंज टू sin, एंड ये सेकंड क्वाड्रेंट में था नेगेटिव था, ये फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट में आ गया प्लस हो गया। अगेन फॉर्मूला ऑफ tan सेम एज सेम फॉर्मूला ऑफ cot a by 2, tan a फॉर्मूला ऑफ tan a सेम एज cot a by 2, summation of tan a is the product of tan a, summation of cot a by 2 is the product of cot by 2, 6 7 comparable, tan a का फॉर्मूला cot a by 2 फॉर्मूला remains same, and tan a by 2 formula cot a formula remains same, here summation of tan a by 2 tan b by 2 equal to 1, here summation of cot a cot b equal to 1, okay, so try to remember all these results, I'm not telling these are the formula but these results frequently use होता है, try to तो बाकी जो 3 नहीं किया मैंने 7th 8th and 4th one, these 3 you can try, okay, बाद में कर सकते। Okay. Solve this question. Simplify cos theta plus cos 120 degree plus theta plus cos 120 degree minus theta. Cos square theta cos square 120 degree plus theta plus cos square 120 degree minus theta. And cube. Sin cube 10 degree plus sin cube 110 degree plus sin cube 130 degree. What happened? Third one. Okay. How many of you got first one? 0. Only 2. Only 2. First one correct. Okay. Cos theta plus cos 120 degree plus theta plus cos 120 degree minus theta. Use your cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. Cos A plus B plus cos A minus B is what? Two cos A cos B. Cos A means 120 degree into cos B theta. Cos theta cos 120 degree. Cos 120 degree value minus half into cos theta. 2 cancelled. Cos theta minus cos theta. So you can remember this one as the result. Okay. Cos theta plus cos 120 degree plus theta plus cos 120 degree minus theta, always 0. थीटा आप कुछ भी ले सकते हो. If you compare first one with your third one, what is your theta here? Just compare the format. Question, both are different questions. Yes, both are different questions. Just compare the format. Format is the theta 120 degree plus theta 120 degree minus theta. Here theta 10 degree, 120 plus theta, 120 plus 10, 130, 120 minus 10, 110. Format remains same. Okay. If you consider, let cos 10 degree A, cos 110 degree B, cos 130 degree equal to C. Then what about A plus B plus C? A plus B plus C क्या हो जाएगा?
0.
0. That means you have this result. Okay. A plus B plus C is equal to 0 you have. Now question क्या हो गया? Cos cube 10 degree plus cos cube 110 degree plus cos cube 130 degree. Means your question became A cube plus B cube plus C cube. You know, if A plus B plus C equal to 0, then A cube plus B cube plus C cube क्या होता है? Is equal to 3ABC. इसका मतलब cos cube 10 degree plus cos cube 110 degree plus cos cube 130 degree. You can write 3ABC, 3 cos 10 degree cos 110 degree cos 130 degree. Both the results remain same. Now, how to find out cos 10 degree, cos 110 degree, cos 130 degree. So 110 you can write 120 degree minus 10 degree, 120 degree plus, you can write like this, or better do one thing. Cos 110, can I write pi minus 70 degree? 130, pi minus 50 degree, correct? Cos pi minus 70, cos pi minus theta, minus cos 70 degree, माइनस cos थीटा, ये होगा माइनस cos 50 डिग्री, माइनस माइनस प्लस, दिस बिकम 3 cos 10 degree 50 degree. Can I write 60 plus 10, sorry 60 minus 10, 70 degree, you can write 60 plus 10, 50 degree, you can write 60 minus 10. It is cos theta cos 60 degree plus theta into cos 60 degree minus theta is what formula? Cos theta into cos 60 degree plus theta into cos 60 degree minus theta. Last time किए थे. जन्मेजय, formula 1/4 cos 3 theta, so 3 into 10 degree, which is 3/4 cos 30 degree. Cos 30 degree is the root 3/2. So answer is the 3 root 3/8. Okay, or you can use also cos a plus b into cos a minus b. वो थोड़ा difficult रहेगा, मतलब difficult नहीं, lengthy थोड़ा रहेगा. Then for second one, cos square 10 degree plus cos square 10 theta. One 20 degree plus theta, 120 degree minus theta. अब चाहो तो वो ये रिजल्ट यूज कर सकते हो, a plus b plus equal to 0, then a square plus b square plus c square, but better go for this one. So change this cos, कोई भी any one cos changes 1 minus cos square theta is 1 minus sin square theta, make it cos square 120 degree plus theta. For this cos square theta you can write 1 minus sin square theta, means minus sin square theta I'm writing first, plus 1 minus sin square theta, which is cos square theta cos square a minus sin square b. Formula cos square a minus sin square b, cos a plus b into cos a minus b. Good. Cos a plus b, a plus b means cos square a minus sin square b. It is cos a plus b into cos a minus b. A plus b, a plus b you can write 240 degree into cos a minus b. A minus b you can write 2 theta plus 1. which is cos square theta plus cos 240 degree minus of cos 2 theta. Cos 2 theta in terms of cos is what? Cos 2 theta you can write 2 cos square theta minus 1 plus 1, which is cos square theta minus cos square theta, 2 cancelled, minus minus plus 1 by 2 plus 1, that is 3. समझा ये?